Good day, Miss. I am Yusef Dayang Kapara Silvertine, and I am here to demonstrate the housekeeping, which we are going to start with the sweeping. We have our materials here, which is the dustpan and our broom. So let's start sweeping. And that's end our sweeping. 1, 2, 3, sorry. Good day again, Miss. So I am here to demonstrate our second part of the housekeeping, which is the mopping. So before we start, I would like you to introduce our thing for today, which is we're going to use for mopping. So we have our mop here. So let's start mopping. And that's it. That's our mopping.
Go.
So we're here again to our our next procedure rather, which is part of the housekeeping, which is the dusting. So we have our thing here, which is we are going to use to remove the. As you can see, there's a lot of dust in here. So we're going to use this in order to remove it. So let's start dusting. And that's it. We're done with our dusting.
Go.
is we need to clean our toilet and also our bathroom. So in order to clean our toilet, we need to use any types of cleaning materials such as Sunrocks to kill the bacteria within our toilet. So let's put a small amount in our toilet like this. If we have brush, we can brush it, but for me I will just use this. I will just use this one. So after that, we are going to flush it like that, so that it drains all the thing that we put. So here, since we are going to clean our sink here by just doing the same thing that we did last time on the toilet, which is we're going to also to put this small amount of this one on the side like this. Then just wait a few minutes. Then after that, we need to rinse the side of.